Will the price of Bitcoin rise above $30,000 as U.S. non-farm payrolls are anticipated? The release of the U.S. non-farm payroll statistics, which may offer hints on the future course of the cryptocurrency, is highly anticipated by Bitcoin fans. Market participants are speculating since Bitcoin is now trading below the $30,000 level as to whether the incoming data will spark a spike that lifts BTC above the critical $30,000 level. We'll explore the variables that could affect BTC's movement as the market anticipates the non-farm payrolls report in this Bitcoin price prediction. Amid growing market worries about banking issues, Bitcoin is getting close to the $30,000 mark. In the last day, the price of Bitcoin and other well-known cryptocurrencies has risen, with BTC surging by plus 1.40% and approaching the $30,000 mark. According to reports, this improvement occurs as market stress is increasing due to worries about banks. Due to broader concerns about regional banks in the U.S., particularly in the wake of the recent failure of three similarly situated institutions in California, PacWest Bancorp has come under examination. Crypto fans contend that Bitcoin's increasing attractiveness may be influenced by this lack of trust in conventional fiat currencies. Following market rumors that suggested a potential impending failure of another U.S. bank, the price of BTC recently changed. If Thursday's interest rate hike marks the conclusion of the current cycle, Bitcoin might experience a 20% increase and reach $36,000, according to Matrixport, a Bitcoin services company. The majority of Thursday saw Bitcoin calmly circling about $29,000, where it has largely been for the past 10 days. Investors were concentrating on the recent bank failures and interest rate increases by the US and European central banks. NFP impact on BTC, the effect of the US economy's slower job growth on Bitcoin. The US economy is forecast to create 180,000 jobs in April 2023, down from 236,000 in March and the weakest gain since December 2020. Although this is the case, April's numbers are still significantly higher than the 70,000 to 100,000 jobs per month that are needed to keep up with the expansion of the working-age population. The services industry, notably leisure and hospitality, is predicted to experience the greatest job growth, while manufacturing employment is predicted to decline. The unemployment rate, which is still very near to its lowest point in 50 years, is predicted to increase slightly to 3.6% from 3.5%. Similar to March, wage growth is predicted to be 0.3%, and annual pay increase will likely stay at 4.2%. Bitcoin block revenue increased 18% in Q1 compared to Q4. The first quarter saw $2.16 billion in Bitcoin sales, up 25% from Q1 2022 and up 18% from Q4 of last year, according to Block Square, a finance startup. Block measures revenue as the total quantity of Bitcoin sold to consumers. Cash App generated a gross profit of $50 million in Bitcoin in the first quarter, an increase of 43% from the fourth quarter and 16% from the prior year. In Q1, the company's gross profit increased by 16% to $770 million. Due to a spike in the price of the virtual currency, the company's investment in Bitcoin did not incur an impairment loss in the first quarter. Block deducted $9 million in the fourth quarter and $47 million for the entire 2022 fiscal year as an impairment charge for its Bitcoin investment. Sales for the first quarter came in at $5 billion overall, $390 million higher than forecast. The 40 cents in non-GAAP earnings per share also exceeded expectations by 6 cents. Such encouraging developments supported BTC's bullish momentum. Bitcoin price BTC USD is currently trading at $29,274, up 0.25% from the previous day. Bitcoin is getting closer to the $30,000 mark in the midst of the banking crisis. Prices have recently risen as a result of market tensions brought on by bank worries. A critical support level is now acting around $28,700 on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, which keeps its position above the 50-day exponential moving average. This level has historically been a significant barrier for BTC this week. However, the likelihood of a bullish rebound in BTC is increased by candles that close above $28,700. A trend line on the 4-hour chart suggests that Bitcoin can find quick support close to the $27,600 level. BTC may move towards the next support level at $27,200 if the price violates this key $27,600 level. Alternately, if BTC is able to break through the $29,600 level, its price may rise towards $30,400.